Hello, and welcome to your Thursday afternoon Central Time Yogi Smoke Break. I am grateful to be here with my friend Rosanna today, and this is perfect because our affirmation today is about gratitude. I live in a spirit of gratitude, and Rosanna and I actually met here. We are on UNO's campus, and we met in grad school in this building behind us. So grateful we can do a yogi smoke break here, and it is a gorgeous day. And so, especially since we are here on a college campus, the first thing that I would like to share that I'm grateful for today is education. These opportunities that we have in this country for education, especially since I teach a lot of refugee students who, many of them, women especially, have never had the chance to go to any sort of formal schooling and may not even be literate in their native language. Grateful for education. How about you?
I'm grateful for this beautiful summer day and the feeling of the grass on my bare feet.
Yes. So I am grateful for people with a growth mindset and people who share educational videos on YouTube, because I've literally used YouTube for anything from
everything.
Yes, like how to fix the garbage disposal to like how to get a key unstuck from the door. Yeah.
Well, just yesterday my daughter was playing around with some neighbors, so I'm grateful for that sound that the kids make when they're laughing and having fun.
Yes. The little things that are so important. Yes. All right. Well, with the spirit of gratitude today, so glad that you can take a moment to be present with us and take a break to honor yourself. So we are going to start with just some simple neck rolls where we put the ear as close to the shoulder as possible, and we are rotating the head around slowly so that we are just noticing very gently how it makes us feel. Noticing areas of tension, but not judging ourselves. And then once we've done it in one direction a few times, we can switch and move the other way. All right, and we are going to start with eagle arms. The simplified, modified version is to just put your arms together like this and to inhale as we move our arms up. Powerful exhale down. Inhale up. Powerful exhale down. And if you're feeling like you can do the wraparound eagle arm method, we can start with our right arm straight in front of us. Wrap the left arm around it so that your palms are touching. And with our arms like this, eagle arms, we will inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Pause here for a moment to inhale, because normally in yoga we inhale as the body goes up. And once we're ready for an exhale, we will exhale the arms down. Straight in front of us, as far as we can go to stretch out the arms. We're also stretching out the shoulder blades. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. All right. And we're going to switch arms this time. We started with the right arm first, so now we're going to do the left arm and wrap the right arm around it like this. Now, if that is not comfortable or working for you, you could definitely just try it like this. Again, inhaling. So left arm. Ultimate goal, if you can, would be to have the palms touching. So we will inhale up. So you feel it in the shoulders. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Pause here for an inhale. And exhale down. Straight out front so you can feel it in the arms. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last inhale. And powerful exhale. Oh, that felt nice. Okay, and we will end with a seated twist to work out the back. The seated twist is all about opposites, and we have some crisscrossing action going on. So we'll start with the right hand on the left knee, and the left arm behind us. And we will inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to twist, looking behind your shoulder. Slowly back to center. We get to be grateful for the maintenance lawn care also today. Left hand on the right knee, right hand behind us. Inhaling to lengthen. Exhaling to twist and look behind your shoulder. Slowly back to center. And we'll do one more on each side. Right hand on the left knee. Left hand behind us. Inhaling to lengthen the spine. Exhaling to twist behind and looking at your shoulder. You can hold it as long as you comfortably can. And slowly back to center. And last, left hand on the right knee. Right hand behind us. Inhaling to lengthen the spine. Exhaling to look behind the shoulder and twist. All right, and back to center. And we will close with just a short meditation where we are noticing our heartbeat. You can close your eyes for this. And since our affirmation for today is, I live in a spirit of gratitude. As we inhale, first we are thinking about what it is we're grateful about ourselves, any particular character traits. And we'll do that for the first 2 rounds of breathing. And then after that, we can switch it to someone or something else that we are grateful for. So closing the eyes, feeling the heartbeat, noticing the sounds around us, and inhaling something about ourselves or our character that we are grateful for. Exhaling. Inhaling something else about ourselves we are grateful for. Exhaling. Inhaling someone or something we are grateful for in our lives. Noticing what it feels like. Again, inhaling, thinking of someone we are grateful for. And exhaling. And thank you so much for joining us and taking the time to be present, to allow yourself to be calm, because we are then able to radiate that peace and calm to others around us. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on Tuesday.